Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am using this Edgebush plate and it is X07 Edgebush, and today I'm gonna be reverse stamping, and I am using it's a trapeze on my nails as a base. And I'm trying to fix my camera, well, my phone actually, which I use as a camera, and I'm using the funky fingers. This is the image that I am going to be doing, which is a snowman. And what I'm doing here is transferring it to another one so it could be facing the other way when when I color it in with the nail polishes that I'm using. This is caption. I'm not very good at putting the nail polish in the lines. You can probably tell. So now I'm using IMK jelly Twizzlers, and I'm sorry I am out of frame. I did not notice this. I love the way the jelly looks. And I'm probably gonna stop this because it's gonna take too long. So now I'm going in with the green, the spearmint leaves. Yeah, see, can't even see what I'm doing. Sorry. So I'm done, and now I'm going to transfer it to my nail. You can tell where I messed up on my snowman, but I still love how it looks. I'm trying to focus. Oh no, somebody called. Interruptions. Sorry, didn't get that on. And now I'm going to be stamping these snowflakes on the nail. And after, I kind of was like I don't know if they look like snowflakes. Anyways, hope you like this. Thank you guys so much for watching. God bless. Have fun stamping away.